To sell crypto on Mexc, start by logging into your account and navigating to the exchange page. Here you will see a list of available cryptocurrencies and their current market prices. Choose the cryptocurrency you want to sell by clicking on the trading pair, such as Bitcoin or Ethereum. Next, select the sell option and choose the type of order you want to place, either a limit order or a market order. A limit order allows you to set a specific price at which you want to sell, while a market order will execute the sale at the current market price. Enter the amount of cryptocurrency you want to sell, and if you chose a limit order, set the price at which you want to sell. Make sure to review the transaction details carefully before confirming the sale. Once you have confirmed the sale, the cryptocurrency will be deducted from your account and the equivalent amount of fiat currency or other cryptocurrency will be deposited into your account. It is essential to note that selling cryptocurrency may result in tax implications, so it is crucial to understand the tax laws in your jurisdiction. Best practices for selling crypto on Mexc include setting realistic prices, being aware of market trends, and using stop-loss orders to limit potential losses. It is also vital to keep your account secure by using strong passwords and enabling two-factor authentication. Additionally, consider diversifying your portfolio by selling some of your cryptocurrency holdings and reinvesting the proceeds in other assets. This can help you manage risk and potentially increase your returns over time. By following these steps and best practices, you can sell your cryptocurrency on Mexc efficiently and effectively. Always prioritize security and make informed decisions based on your investment goals and risk tolerance.